Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is the body's way of clearing the nose when a potentially harmful substance enters it. When something like dirt, pollen, bacteria, or smoke enters the nostrils, it irritates the tiny hairs in the nose and the delicate skin, sending an electric signal to the brain to tell the nose to clear itself. A sneeze is therefore one of the body's very first ways of defending us against any harmful bugs or bacteria. In the same way, when you're sick, you may experience more frequent sneezing, as your body uses this as a mechanism to try and clear whatever is bothering us out of our body.